Ever seen a spreadsheet full of numbers and wondered, what's that? What does it all mean? Well, that's Microsoft Excel, sorry about that. Your digital powerhouse for organizing, calculating, and analyzing data. I'm your guy Tech Warlock and we shall break it down in less than 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Well, Excel is a spreadsheet program used to store and work with data, from tracking expenses to managing projects. It's used in schools, businesses, and homes worldwide. For the clearest example I can give is your grading system at school. Honestly, you can't just think of how your class teacher sits down to write down your reports past student every single body, every single member. Of course, Excel does that for him automatically, and it helps to manage stores, supermarkets, and the rest. I'm pretty sure you've seen your tellers, your vendors at the supermarket using one of these spreadsheets. The Excel screen is made up of rows, which are these. These are the rows, and the rows are labeled in digits, and columns, which are labeled in the alphabet of the English alphabet, obviously, and they run pretty far and pretty wide. I mean, like, it seems like there's no end to it, but surprisingly, it does come to an end anyway. So, yeah, each box is called a cell. You can type in text into the cells, you can type in numbers or formulas into the cells. The ribbon on the top holds tools for formatting, inserting, inserting charts, and more. For the charts, we can have these illustrations, charts, and the rest. Well, let's talk about basic data entry. To enter data, just click on a cell and type, and you can format it to make things clear. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can underline them, and many more. In the colored rows or borders to separate the sections, or you can even color the words. You can even add borders onto the cell. There are different types of borders, and in case you want to create more borders, you can do just that. Well, now there are simple formulas and functions that you can perform with these. For example, let's say this cell had the number 2 and this cell had the number 7. Now, if we did want to find the sum or the addition of those two, Excel can do the math for you. Use formulas like equals to. Of course, before you begin anything, you begin with the equals to sign, or the average, or equals to average. Any single function or formula that you want to begin begins with the equals to sign. And for addition is equals to sum, open bracket, and we shall choose which cells we shall be adding, that and that, close bracket, and enter. And of course, even using your calculator, the summation of this 2 plus 7 equals to 9. You can also update in case the data changes. Let's say, for instance, here we change this 2 into a 3. There, see, it changes automatically. So that's basically it. Well, Excel is more than a grid. it's a tool for clarity, control, and smart decisions. Now, subscribe for more tech tutorials and stay above the pump. This is your man, this is your guy, Tech Warlock. See you next time for the next feed. Stay tuned, stay active, stay tuned for more notifications. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those. Tech Warlock out.